everyone, welcome to my channel. It's a wonderful plan. I'm Tina. Thanks for watching today. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a flip through of the Happy Planner Classic Size Paint Splash. This is actually a deluxe planner because it does have the metal discs, and this is also a dashboard layout. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys. It's a beautiful planner, lots of pretty colors. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'm going to take this cover off of here, front and then back here. And look how pretty this planner is with all of the beautiful colors. I love it. And then it says live a colorful life, and it's in the gold foil, and it comes with this beautiful gold discs, and they're metal, and I love them. I'm so happy to get this. This one is at Hobby Lobby. You can also pick the same one up at Michael's, but it doesn't come with the metal discs. So if you want to get the metal discs, then you would want to go to Hobby Lobby to pick this one up. However, you could always, if you can't find it there, you could always pick it up at Michael's and then just, switch the discs out if you can't find it at a Hobby Lobby as is. All right, guys, let's go ahead and let me open this up and show you what is in this beautiful planner. Okay, I just love this beautiful pink in here. And of course, it's got the welcome page on here. I'm going to take that off. And hello, this happy planner belongs to. And of course, I'll be putting my name in here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Oh, so pretty. I love the font in here, and look at how all of the months are different colors. I love that. So this is an 18-month planner. It does start in July of 2019, so you do have some time to shop to get this planner. And so we've got our 2019 and 2020 calendar here. And I'm going to open this up here, and this starts with July, and look how pretty these colors are. I love this planner. I was so excited that it came also in the dashboard layout, which I'm going to be showing you. But this is just so pretty, so much color. And I love this page here. It's very simple. It just says notes, and it's got this dotted grid open space for you to really do whatever you want in here. Okay, so a lot of the planners come with currently pages on here, and if you like the currently page, you could definitely create your own version of it here, or you can actually do whatever you want here because it's giving you the free space to do it. So you've got the previous month's calendar, the current month calendar, and then the next month at the bottom here. Okay, so just such a pretty colors. Love it. And then we open it up here to our month at a glance, and this one has notes section here, and then 3 top priorities here. And then the holidays are not shaded or highlighted in any way, and neither are the weekends. So everything is just plain simple white on the monthly calendar at a glance here. Let's take a look at the weeks, and look at this pretty dashboard layout. Now, if you're not familiar with the dashboard layout, the reason why it's called that is because it has everything on here for really the week. So it's got a section here for your errands, and it's got some bullet points here for you to check off as you complete those errands. There's a to buy section with some more bullet points here, and these are lined. Calls, emails that you need to make for that week, bills that you may need to pay for that week, And then this little grid area here, lined grid area, is focus area. So of course you can make these sections however you want, design them however you want, and relabel them however you want, just by putting, you know, a simple sticker over it and renaming it. You know, you may not have bills to pay every week. You might have, you know, different things to do each week. So this is kind of a neat layout. This layout was actually introduced in the Super Mom planner from last year, and a lot of people just loved the layout style of it, and that's probably why Happy Planner has now incorporated it into a general layout that anybody could use, whether you're a mom or not. So I know a lot of people did pick up the Super Mom anyway, and then just sort of made it their own. But not everybody's a mom, so, and a lot of people liked this layout, so they went ahead and designed this for, you know, anybody. And then on this side, it's got the days of the week. And this box starts off as just kind of an overview. It's got the days on the side here, and then and it is lined, and you can go ahead and make this box whatever you want. And then you have, of course, each day here, so that way you can go ahead and put in your appointments, whatever you need to do for each day. So this is something different that I was really interested in trying out. And of course, I loved this planner. I love the colors in here. So I figured I would pick this up, and I could kind of switch things around, you know, for different weeks to see which layout I might like, you know, just to kind of mix things up a little bit from week to week for my planning. Okay, so let's see. It looks like the following weeks are the same colors. Sorry if I'm a little hoarse, guys. I'm trying to get over being sick, so I probably sound a little scratchy. And then, ooh, I love the colors. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty that is. So we're into August here. And then it looks like, so it looks like the color did change for the month. Yes, so the top and then the color, the box color here changed up. Oh, and I think these are different too. Yep. And then the colors in here. Okay, so everything sort of changed. These are all purple. And yep, and then it stays the same. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and show you each month. Now, like I said, this is an 18-month, so this starts in July of this year. All right, so here we are, September. Today is a good day for a good day. Nice. Again, some fun splash of colors. Love it. And here's the month. And then the weeks. All right. October, live in color. I just love these bright jeweled colors in here, the greens and the blues and the pinks and purples. Ah, oh, so pretty. Oh, okay, and this is nice. This changes up a little bit here. November. Throw kindness around like confetti. Nice. Pretty pink. And then that's a little different here. Okay. December. Ooh, some pretty green in here. January. February, all the love. Very, very pretty. I love the pink in there. And March, be kind and courageous. Ooh, pretty. I love the mixture of the pinks with the yellow and oranges and a little splash of purple in there. You are magic. And May, ooh, the pretty blue. It's like water droplets. And June, only positive vibes. Pretty greens in here, I like that. And July, dream big. So just the circle of color on that one. Ooh, in August, believe you can and you're halfway there. Awesome. This looks like the cover. Yep. September, you are enough. That's pretty. I like that. The color, like in the writing itself. Something a little different. October, don't follow your dreams, chase them. Awesome. And this is pretty. I love that. Oh, such pretty, pretty bright, vibrant colors. And then got November. Go with the flow. We got the blues and the greens. The gold foil. That's pretty. And December. Oh, this is pretty. Nice and simple. Be colorful. Okay. And then, oh, that's a pretty note page. I like that. All right. So this completes the flip through of the Paint Splash, the deluxe version with the metal discs. And it's so pretty. I can't wait to use this. I'm pretty excited about trying different layout for this upcoming year. And I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. So I'm pretty excited about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this flip through of this beautiful planner, this dashboard layout classic size planner. Again, you can get this one at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby is the only one that's carrying the deluxe edition with the metal discs. I believe you can also get it at the Happy Planner on the Happy Planner store as well, but I know that I also saw this in Michael's. It just doesn't have the metal discs. So if you want this planner and you don't necessarily, maybe sometimes people don't like the metal discs and they prefer the plastic, you can pick this up at Michael's with the plastic gold discs. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today. I hope, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this. Please be sure to hit the like if you enjoyed it. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss any of my videos and ideas. Thanks again for watching today, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.